On this video today, I'm going to show you a super easy trick that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. This method has a high percentage rate of success, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create your CPAgrip accounts. If you want, you can use CPA Build, you can use CPA Lead, whatever network that you are using, you can still use this method to make money. In this case, we are using CPAgrip. So once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see something like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now the next step is that you have to find offers that you can promote to earn money. So you have to select a country where you have a traffic source. In this case, we are going to be promoting offers in Australia. So just search for Australia right here. Once you search for it, just click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you search for Australia, you can see these are offers that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. So you have to check the payout before you promote the product. Some of them have higher payout. Some of them are also having lower payout. You can see this one right here. The payout is high. You are going to be earning $13.69 per every lead that you get. You can see it right here. And the requirement is very simple. You can see pin submit. So your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning $500 Amazon gift cards so that you can earn the payout right here. $13.69. You can see this one, you are going to be earning 51 cents per every lead that you get. You can see grab your iPhone 14 now. Your potential visitors, when they enter their mobile numbers, they are going to stand the chance of winning iPhone 14, and you are going to hear the payout right here, 51 cents. So as a school, there are many offers that you can promote in this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here. Claim a $500 Amazon gift card now. So this is the offer that we are going to be promoting in this video. Before you promote the offer, you have to get your affiliate link. So just click on the name of the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is the title of the offer. This is the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. You can see these are the devices that the offer is allowed. And you can see right here, you can select any domain that you want. And you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on this particular link and then complete the offer for you to make money. So now once you get to know the offer, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source where you can get people to click on this particular link in Australia so that they can enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning $500 Amazon gift card. Once they enter their numbers, you are going to be earning $13. It does not matter whether they win the offer or not. Once they enter their mobile numbers to win, you are going to be paid. So now what we have to do is that we have to build a landing page so that we can promote our affiliate link and then get people to click on it so that they can complete the offer. To create a landing page, we are going to be using site.google.com. You can use this site to create free landing pages without paying for anything. So just search for site.google.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on blank so that you can create a new landing page. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to delete this header. So just click right here, delete. Once you delete it, the next step is that you are going to give a name to your landing page. So you can delete this text and then type your own name. In this case, we are going to type Amazon gift, something like this. Amazon gift. That is the title of our landing page. Once that is done, we are going to paste the title of the offer right here. So you have to go back on CPAgrip so that you can get the title of the offer. Once you come back on CPAgrip, you are going to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then click right here, text box, so that you can paste the title of the offer. Once you click on text box, you are going to paste the title right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to highlight the text. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you have to increase the font size. So just click right here, font size. Once you click on that, you are going to select the font size that you want. In this case, we are going to use 24. Once that is done, you are going to center the text. So just click right here, align. Once that is done, you are going to select the third one. As you can see, the text is now centered. Once this is done, the next step is that we are going to paste the image of the offer right here. So you have to go back on CPAgrip so that you can get the image of the offer. Once you come back on CPAgrip, what you have to do is that you have to right click on the image of the offer. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once you save the image, the next step is that you are going to upload it right here. So just come right here, click on images. Once you click on images, you are going to click on upload. Once you click on upload, select your image and then click open so that the image can be uploaded. As you can see, it has been uploaded. So now what you have to do is that you have to center it. So just drag it and bring it at the center right here. You can also increase the size of the image. So just hold it like this and then expand it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have the image, the next step is that you are going to add a call to action right here. So you can use a GIF, you can type text. In this case, we are going to use a GIF as our call to action. So just come right here, click on image. Once you click on images, you are going to click on select. Once you click on select, you are going to see a page like this. Click on Google Images. Once you select Google Images, you are going to search for click now images. So just type click now button, something like this. Click now button, search for click now button. Just search for it so that you can find images. Once you search for it, you can see different images that you can use. You can see these are all call to actions that you can use in your landing page. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using this image right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it has been selected. Click right here, insert. Once you click on insert, you can see the image has been uploaded. Just drag it and then place it under the image of the offer. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to reduce the size of the call to action. So just reduce it. Just reduce it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here so that when people click on it, they can be directed to the offer through your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPAgrip and then click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, click on the image. Once you select the image, click on insert link. Once you click on that, paste your affiliate link right here and then click apply. That has been done. So the call to action is now linked to your affiliate links. The next step is that you are also going to insert your affiliate link in the image. So just select the image. Once you select it, click right here, insert link. Once you click on insert link, paste your affiliate link and then click apply. As you can see, that has been done. So now you have a full landing page. You can see everything in the landing page. Once you have your landing page, the next step is that you are going to publish it. So click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you are going to see a page like this. So you have to enter a web address. You can enter any web address. So just type something like Amazon gift 2A. Amazon gift 2A. You just need any name that is available. The name here doesn't matter. So just type anything that is available. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, publish, so that you can publish your landing page. As you can see, your landing page has been successfully published. So now if you want to view your landing page, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on this particular dot. Once you click on it, you are going to select view published site. As you can see, this is your landing page. You can see this is it. When I scroll down, you can see this is the landing page. You can see your call to action right here. So when people click on the call to action, they are going to be directed to the offer, and those who click on the image too, they are going to be directed to the offer through your affiliate link. The next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people to click on your link and then complete the offers for you to make money. The next step is that you're going to come on this website, panelstars.com. You can see it right here, panelstars.com. This website can drive amazing traffic to your affiliate link at a very cheap cost. You can see instantly get more real social media engagement. You can go viral in seconds, get more followers, likes, views, comments, and more. So this website, we are going to use it to drive traffic to our affiliate link at a very cheap cost. The best part is that you can choose the specific country that you want to get the traffic. So that is exactly what we want. We want targeted traffic. So this website is one of the best that we can use to promote our landing page. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can promote your landing page. To create an account, just click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, your password, confirm your password. You are going to click right here, I agree the terms and privacy. Once that is done, you are going to click on create new account so that you can create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to buy traffic to your landing page. The first thing is that you are going to select the category. The category in this case simply means the country or the traffic that you are targeting. So just click on it. Once you click on the traffic source, you can see if you want TikTok views, you can select that. If you want TikTok streams, you can click on that. So you are going to scroll down and then select website traffic. We want to drive traffic to our landing page, so just scroll down to the button so that you can find website traffic. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see geo targeting traffic organic. So it is organic traffic that we are going to be getting. If you want to buy worldwide traffic, you can select this option. If you want to buy cheap traffic, you can select this one. If you want to buy traffic from the United States, you can select this one. If you want from South Korea, you can select this. UK, you can select this. In this case, we are searching for Australia, so you have to scroll down so that you can find Australia. So just scroll down so that you can find Australia. Just scroll down. You can see Canada right here, so you can select any of these countries that you want. Just scroll down to the button so that you can find Australia. You can see Australia. This is where we want the traffic source because the offer is allowed in Australia. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see other service. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the prices that you are going to pay based on the traffic source that you are going to be using in Australia. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want traffic from news.com.au, you are going to be paying $2.46. You can see $2.46. So each of the traffic sources and their prices. So in this case, we are going to select news.com.au. That is where we want the traffic source. So you have to paste the link to your landing page right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on your landing page. Once it is published, just click right here, copy publish link, so that you can copy your link. Once you click on it, you can see your link right here. Click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. So anytime you pay for the traffic, the website is going to be driving traffic to your landing page so that you can get people to click on it from Australia. Once you enter your link, the next step is that you are going to enter quantity, the number of clicks that you want. So in this case, we are going to select 2000 clicks, and you can see 2000 clicks, you are going to be paying only $4.92. just as low as that. You are not paying up to $6, just $4.92. That is the amount that you are going to pay per 2000 clicks, and most of these people are going to complete the offer for you to make money. Remember, the payout is $13.69. so even if you get 200 people to complete the offer, you are going to be making a lot of profit. Once you enter the quantity, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and click right here. Yes, I have confirmed the order, so just click right here. Once that is done, you are going to place your order. But before you place your order, you have to pay. So just click on it so that you can deposit funds into your accounts before they bring traffic to your landing page. Once you click on it, you can see not enough funds. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see you can deposit a minimum of $10. You can deposit $10 into this accounts and then use it to promote your landing page. It's just simple as that. Once you deposit money, they are going to start bringing traffic to your landing page. You can deposit money through your PayPal accounts, or if you want, you can just scroll down and then use any of these cryptocurrency wallets so that you can deposit money into your accounts. You can see Bitcoin and then the rest. So make sure you deposit money into your accounts so that you can buy the traffic. Once you buy the traffic, you are going to get many people to sign up for the offer. Once they sign up, you are going to be paid. They don't have to buy anything. Once they enter their details, whether they win the offer or not, you are going to be paid. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.